可唔可以教我點樣寫 4 picture story 啊？我想攞100分。
咁我哋一齊學啦。
Hello，大家好啊，我係小廖老師，今日會教大家作文嘅。今日咧係適合3至6年級嘅小朋友㗎。
小廖老師今日教4 picture story 作文。
小朋友，你哋會揀以下邊一幅啊？第一幅咧，佢就係識用 he said， 比較沉悶；而第二幅咧，呢個女孩子咧就用咗 he whispered， 同埋用咗 as fast as lightning 喎。咁我諗你都識揀啦。我估你哋咧應該係會揀第二幅啦，係咪啊？應該係呢一幅啦。咁跟住落嚟嘅作文咧，大家都要用多啲呢一啲形容詞啊、similes 啊、比喻法啊，或者係一啲 saying words 係特別少少嘅。好啦，嚟到今日所講嘅4 picture story， 大家一齊睇下呢4幅圖畫先啦。好，跟住落嚟咧，我拆解一下咧，大家應該點樣做嘅。好啦，睇一睇一幅圖畫，我哋咧要睇清楚 when 故事發生喺幾時。咁表面線索咧，我哋都睇到啦，係 night time， 而隱藏線索咧就喺後邊啦。There are stars and the moon， 有星星同月亮，咁亦都可以知道咧係夜晚啦。咁作文加分位喺邊度咧？咁大家咧就唔好淨係寫 it was light， 我哋可以咁寫。Under the dim light of the desk lamp, midnight has already arrived. 喺一啲暗淡嘅燈光之下，午夜已經靜悄悄嚟到啦。好，跟住咧，大家都要知道 where 喺邊度發生嘅。咁咧個細節位咧就係呢一度啦。Tim 嘅房入邊咧係有書台、台燈嘅。咁我哋好明顯啦，知道佢咧係 in the bedroom。咁而作文加分位喺邊度呢？我哋可以咧描寫一下寧靜嘅環境，用嚟對比一下妹妹嘅調皮惡作劇嘅。可以咁樣寫啊。The house was still and quiet. Little Lily giggled. 間屋係非常之靜止同埋寧靜，而妹妹咧就喺度偷笑。She tiptoed into the room like a silent cat. 佢用腳尖靜靜咁入咗間房裏邊，好似好安靜嘅貓一樣。咁樣就可以凝聚到氣氛㗎啦。跟住落嚟呢，我哋梗係要知道誰人啦，主角係邊個啊，性格係點啊。咁呢，好明顯呢，哥哥呢着條紋衫，一個好乖、好認真做功課嘅男仔。咁而妹妹 Lily 呢，係紮住馬尾，着住粉紅色衫。望住哥哥嘅時候咧，眼神充滿期待，而且睇嚟咧好似好調皮喎。作文加分位就喺邊度呢？我哋其實咧可以幫主角佢哋咧起翻個名㗎，例如 Tim 同埋 Lily 啦。咁咧可以直接用一啲特別啲嘅字咧，調皮嘅小惡作劇鬼 Naughty little regular prankster 嚟到形容妹妹嘅。好，跟住落嚟咧就到 what 什麼啦，找出核心嘅線索落。我哋咧首先咧係會睇 picture 2嘅細節嘅。Tim 咧係有睡意啦，一隻手咧頂住塊面，但係最後咧都眼瞓得滯，趴低咗瞓啦。咁而妹妹見到之後咧，就偷偷地攞起呢一啲彩色筆。咁作文加分位喺邊度咧？呢一個 point 咧係非常之重要啦。我哋咧，如果咧靜靜咁樣寫話，妹妹就畫翻佢嘅功課咧，就冇咁好啦。我哋咧可以寫出佢畫花嘅係哥哥心愛嘅畫冊喎，咁咧就會增加佢嘅衝突感，令到咧戲劇效果更凝重㗎。跟住落嚟咧就到 how 怎樣啦，主角們嘅反應又係點樣啊？我哋睇下 picture 3哥哥嘅反應啊！哇，你睇佢嚇到連 jaw 都 dropped， 下巴都跌咗落地啦，但係妹妹咧就哈哈大笑咁走。咁而作文加分位咧就係大力描寫 picture 4個大問號啦，究竟個結局點樣先可以出人意表咧？同學咧都要諗下點樣 creative 啲喎。咁究竟 Tim 最後會大發雷霆，定係咧驚歎妹妹其實畫得幾靚呢？ 跟住落嚟呢，我就會教你哋閃星星寫作點金術。咁呢，點樣先令到你嘅作文更美好呢？就要加啲 magic 落去啦。跟住落嚟呢，我會逐個魔法呢同你講解點樣添加落你嘅作文度嘅。好啦，嚟到魔法一 Fabulous Adjectives 喺第一集都提過下啦，作文呢要加多啲形容詞落去嘅。普通嘅作法 Tim was doing his boring homework. Lily was a naughty girl. 好啲嘅作法 Tim was struggling with his tedious homework, unaware that his mischievous sister was creeping in. 咁呢見到啦 boring 沉悶，我哋用 tedious 枯燥乏味嚟代替。Naughty 我哋用 mischievous 淘氣嚟代替頑皮嘅。好啦，嚟到魔法二 Similes 比喻法，喺第二集呢我哋都教過嘅。好啦，我哋睇下平庸嘅作法先啦。Tim was very tired and he fell asleep。好啲嘅作法 Exhaustion completely took over him and his eyelids felt as heavy as lead。我哋呢 tired 疲倦，我哋可以用 Similes his eyelids felt as heavy as lead 去代替嘅，咁樣呢就會令到文章更加生動有趣㗎。好，魔法二 Similes 我再舉多個例子啦。Lily ran away fast。我哋可以咁樣寫 Lily dashed out of the room as fast as lightning, giggling all the time。Fast 快，我哋可以用 as fast as lightning， 可以閃電咁快，記唔記得呢？我係好中意呢一個 Similes 㗎。跟住呢係魔法三 Humorous words， 咁喺我前幾集都有講過嘅，咁我哋而家用返啦。Tim was angry when he saw his sketchbook。好啲嘅作法 Tim gasped in horror, his jaw dropping to the floor as he stared at his renovated sketchbook。我哋 angry 呢，我哋可以用呢一個代替下 his jaw dropping to the floor， 下巴呢都跌咗落地下。同埋呢，另外一個有趣位就喺呢一度啦，就係話佢本 sketchbook 好似俾人裝修咗咁，用 renovated， 咁話真係好有趣喎。好啦，魔法四呢係要落一啲 compound words， 我哋上一集啱啱先講完下。好，睇下呢一度 Lily drew flowers and butterflies in the book。 好啲嘅作法 Lily transformed the sketchbook into a colourful masterpiece of sunflowers and butterflies。 咁下邊呢，我哋見到呢用咗四個 compound words 嘅，有 sketchbook 畫冊 masterpiece 師傅級sunflowers 同埋 butterflies 嘅。好，魔法五呢係 idioms， 用一啲成語下。He looked at his book and was very angry. Although he was hot under the collar, Tim took a closer look at the drawings。 咁呢見到呢 very angry， 我哋用咗成語 hot under the collar 去顯示呢佢非常之嬲㗎。好，嚟到魔法六 talking sentences 啦，咁我哋作文呢加 talking sentences 落去呢，會令到文章更加豐富嘅。Level 1 Tim chased Lily， 我哋可以擴展成咁啊。He grabbed his pencils, ran up to Lily and suggested, Hey Lily, let's finish this masterpiece together。 咁見到呢加咗一句 talking sentence， 而且呢用咗個 saying word suggested， 都係非常之好嘅喎。好啦，睇完六個魔法之後呢，我哋一齊嚟睇下啲範文啦。首先呢會係平庸嘅寫法先。
It was night. Tim was doing his homework at the desk. He was very tired. His sister Lily looked at him from the door.
Under the dim glow of the desk lamp, midnight had already arrived. Tim was sitting at his wooden desk, desperately struggling with his tedious homework. Exhaustion completely took over him, and his eyelids felt as heavy as lead. His mischievous little sister, Lily, was peeking from behind the door with a playful grin, plotting her next move.
好啦，我嚟睇一睇呢啲滿分寫作嘅重點，好似第一句咁呢，喺書枱燈微弱嘅光線之下，午夜已經靜悄悄嚟到啦。呢句呢係寫得好意境嘅。咁另外呢，就有 desperately struggling， 係絕望咁樣掙扎做佢嘅功課喎，都係非常之用力，非常之活靈活現㗎。 咁另外頭先提過啦 ，tedious 啦，枯燥乏味啦。咁另外佢個眼皮咧係好似鉛咁重嘅 ，as heavy as lead。mischievous 頭先都提過啦，可以用呢一個字淘氣嚟代嘅。
Then, Tim fell asleep. Lily came into the room quietly. She took some colored pencils and drew pictures in Tim's notebook. She was naughty.
In no time, soft snores escaped from Tim's mouth as he fell fast asleep on the desk. Seeing this golden opportunity, Lily tiptoed into the room like a silent cat. She quietly grabbed the colorful pencils scattered around. Instead of waking her brother up, Lily transformed the sketchbook into a colorful masterpiece of sunflowers and butterflies.
好，我哋一齊嚟講下啲 Picture 2嘅重點先。好似第一句咁啦，喺同時一啲細聲嘅鼻鼾聲呢已經喺 Tim 個口嗰度呢 escaped 逃走咗出嚟啦，係幾有意境嘅。咁呢，我哋用 soft 細聲呢個形容詞啦。咁而第二個呢 golden opportunity 黃金嘅機會都幾好個噃，用呢個形容詞。咁而第三個啦 like a silent cat 好似一個靜悄悄嘅貓，跟住用咗個 adverb。Quietly grabbed the colourful pencils， 靜靜咁樣攞咗嗰個 colourful pencils。好，另外呢，下邊呢頭四個嘅 compound words 頭先都提過啦，有 sketchbook、masterpiece、sunflowers 同埋 butterflies 嘅。
Shortly afterwards, Tim woke up. He looked at his book and was very angry. There were flowers and butterflies on it. Lily laughed and ran away.
Shortly afterwards, some noise woke Tim up. He stretched his arms and opened his beloved sketchbook, only to find it completely renovated with vibrant sunflowers and colorful butterflies. Tim gasped in horror, his jaw dropping to the floor in absolute disbelief. Meanwhile, the successful prankster, Lily, burst into roaring laughter and dashed out of the room as fast as lightning.
好，嚟到 Picture 3，睇一睇啲重點先。有 shortly afterwards 係我好中意嘅連接詞啊。好，跟住落嚟呢，我就見到 renovated 頭先提過啦，係好似裝修咁樣，係增加趣味嘅。另外 sunflowers 同埋 butterflies 係 compound words。His jaw dropping to the floor，jaw 跌咗落地下係比喻法嚟嘅。Meanwhile 同時啦，一個好嘅連接詞咧，亦都係 prankster 一個小鬼。好，另外最後咧有 as fast as lightning 係一個 similes 比喻法，係用得好好㗎。
What happens next? Tim chased Lily, but then he thought the drawings were beautiful. They were happy.
What would Tim do? Although he was hot under the collar, Tim took a closer look at the drawings. Surprisingly, the butterflies looked incredibly lively. His anger melted away, replaced by a warm smile. He grabbed his pencils, ran after Lily and suggested, "Hey Lily, let's finish this masterpiece together."
好啦，嚟到最後一幅圖啦，睇下先。頭先呢都有提過下嘅 hot under the collar。好啦，用呢個 idioms 係非常之嬲咁解啊。另外呢個連接詞呢都係之前幾集提過嘅 surprisingly 係非常之震驚咁。另外 incredibly 係難以置信咁樣。His anger melted away。嬲怒係可以融化嘅咩？呢個咧係增加個趣味嘅。好，頭先提過 suggested 啦，一個好嘅 saying words。另外 masterpiece 係 compound words， 非常之好啊！呢一個真係有滿分啊！希望各位同學咧，以後作文咧都可以用到我嘅閃星星寫作點金術，加啲 magic 俾佢，令個文章咧更加 beautiful， 更加 rich 嘅。好啦，多謝你都係睇到最後，記得俾 like。subscribe 同埋 share， 我係小鳥老師，下次喺閃星星再見你。如果你有啲乜嘢想學嘅，都可以喺下邊留言嘅。拜拜。